Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete details about the G+4 typical floor plan. So initially I will show you the dimensions for that respected site. So from that respected site, I will explain you the typical floor plan. For this respected typical floor plan, the ground story section will be consisting of the parking section, and remaining sections will be consisting of the some of the residential flats. Okay, so for each floor it will be consisting of the 5 number of the flats. So 5 multiplied by 4, which is approximately equal to 20 number of the flats will be exist for this respected plan. Initially I will show you that respected complete details about the dimensions of the site and complete details about the typical floor plan for the G+4 residential structure. Okay, so click on this PDF option. So this is my left hand side section will be consisting of the site section, and right hand side section will be consisting of the typical floor plan. So for this respective section it will be consisting of 1, 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4th, and this is the 5th number of the flat. Okay, so these are the dimensions for this respected typical floor plan. So I will attach this respected typical floor plan in the below description of this respected video. You can download that respected typical floor plan for the details of this respected plan. Okay, it will be consisting of the horizontal distance of 60 feet here, and the vertical distance will be consisting of your respected distance of 35 feet 3 inches till the staircases here. Okay, the staircases will be approximately equal to 10 feet distance, and the remaining distance for this respected site will be consisting of 71 feet 8 inches. Okay, and this respected horizontal distance will be consisting of approximately of 20 feet here. Okay, so again it will be consisting of your respected distance of 31 feet 9 inches distance here like this for this respected section, and it will be consisting of the distance here like this. Again it will be consisting of 17 feet 6 inches in horizontal position distance. Again it will be consisting of your respected distance of 22 feet 6 inches till the staircases level, and again it will be consisting of your respected distance of 46 feet 0 inches distance here. Okay, so now I will explain you complete details about this respected section. So this is the ground floor plan for this respected site. It will be consisting of the complete parking section. Okay, so this is the typical floor plan for the complete parking section. This black color mark indicates your plinth area for this respected ground story. So for this respected ground story, it will be consisting of the 3 rooms here, 1, 2, 3. So this respected 3 rooms will be helpful for the storage section and respected office section, and it will be consisting of your security rooms here. Okay, again it will be consisting of 1 lift provision here, and along with that respected lift provision it will be consisting of the staircases here. Okay, now I will explain you the typical floor plans for the each and individual plan section for this respected building plan. Okay, so this initially I will explain you the blue color mark. So this is the blue color typical floor plan first flat. So it will be consisting of your triple bedroom hall kitchen portion here. Okay, so this is the bedroom section, this is the bedroom section, this is the bedroom, and this is the dining kitchen drawing room. Okay, now I will explain you the complete details about this respected typical floor plan. So this is the main entrance which is provided for this respected typical floor plan, so which is consisting of the drawing area here, and this is the dining portion, and this is the kitchen portion. Okay, the kitchen is small here, which is consisting of 6 feet 11 inches cross 6 feet 0 inches distance. Okay, and this is the bedroom section, which is related to the master bedroom section, which is having the distance of horizontal of 10 feet 0 inches cross vertical of 13 feet 0 inches. So along with this respected bedroom section, it was attached to one washroom here. Okay, which is consisting of the 7 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 6 inches. So for this respected bedroom, it is having one balcony section on the right hand side section here. So for this respected section also, it will be consisting of 11 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 6 inches distance here. Okay, so this is the second bedroom, which is having the dimensions of 10 feet 10 inches cross 13 feet 0 inches, and for this respected second bedroom, it is having one more washroom section here like this, which is having the dimensions of 6 feet 9 inches cross 4 feet 5 inches. Okay, so this is the last bedroom for this respected house, which is having the horizontal distances 12 feet 0 inches cross 9 feet 0 inches. Okay, so this is the second flat for this respected building section, so which is having double bedroom hall kitchen portion. So this is the kitchen area for this respected section, which is having 10 feet 0 inches cross 6 feet 0 inches distance, and this is the drawing room, and this is the dining area. This is the washroom bedroom section which is attached to this respected drawing room, which is having the dimensions of 8 feet 5 inches cross 4 feet 0 inches. And this is the primary bedroom for this house, which is having the horizontal distance is 12 feet 0 inches cross 11 feet 0 inches. And this is the washroom which is attached to this respected bedroom section, which is having the dimensions of 5 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 0 inches distance. Okay, this is the opening which is provided for this respected ventilation of this toilet section. Okay, so this is the balcony which is provided for this respected bedroom and this respected bedroom. The dimensions of the secondary bedroom is 10 feet 0 inches in horizontal position, 12 feet 0 inches in vertical position. And this is the dining section, and this is the drawing room for this respected building, and this is the main entry. Now I will explain you the complete details about the third flat section. So this is the third flat which is having the triple bedroom hall kitchen portion section here. Okay, so this is the main entry which is provided for this respected building. Okay, which is having the drawing room in the entrance section and which is having the dining section here. Okay, so this is the kitchen area which is provided for this respected house, which is having the horizontal distance is 8 feet 4 inches cross 7 feet 7 inches. And this is the washroom which is provided for this respected hall section and drawing section, which is having the horizontal dimensions is 8 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 6 inches. Okay, so now this is the primary bedroom which is provided for this respected house, which is having the dimensions of 12 feet 0 inches cross 11 feet 0 inches. And this is the toilet section which is provided for this primary bedroom. And this is the second bedroom which is provided for this respected house, which is having the dimensions of 12 feet 6 inches in horizontal and 10 feet 0 inches in vertical. And this is the third bedroom which is provided for this respected house, which is having 11 feet in horizontal position, 10 feet in vertical position. And this is the general balcony which is provided for this respected house. Okay, so now I will explain you complete details about the fourth flat. So this is the fourth section which is related to your respected red color mark. Okay, so this is the main entry which is provided for this respected section. So this is the drawing room which is provided for this respected section, and this is the dining section, and this is the kitchen portion which is having the dimensions is 6 feet 6 inches cross 7 feet 3 inches. Okay, so this is the utility portion which is provided for this respected kitchen section. Okay, so this is the bedroom section. So this is the third bedroom which is having the dimensions of 12 feet 0 inches cross 10 feet 0 inches section. Okay, so for this respected drawing room and dining section, it was attached with one washroom section here. Okay, so this is the washroom section which is having the horizontal dimensions is 8 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 6 inches. And this is the primary bedroom which is provided for this respected house, which is having the horizontal dimensions is 12 feet 2 inches cross 10 feet 0 inches. And this is the washroom section which is provided for this respected house. Okay, so this is the balcony which is provided for this second bedroom, which is having the dimensions of 12 feet 7 inches cross 10 feet 2 inches for this respected primary bedroom and secondary bedroom. Okay, now I will explain you the complete details about the last section. Okay, so last flat. So last flat also it will be consisting of your respected section of triple bedroom hall kitchen portion. So this is the main entry which is provided for this respected third last bedroom section. So this is the drawing area for this respected house, and this is the dining section, and this is the toilet which is attached to this respected hall. Okay, so this is the main bedroom which is provided for this respected house, which is having the dimensions of 12 feet 3 inches cross 10 feet 2 inches distance. And this is the balcony section which is attached to the primary bedroom and second bedroom. Okay, the second bedroom dimensions is approximately of 12 feet 2 inches cross 10 feet 0 inches distance. Okay, so this is the utility which is provided for this respected kitchen portion, and this is the last bedroom section for this respected house, which is having the horizontal dimensions is 14 feet 6 inches and 9 feet 0 inches section here. Okay, this is the complete floor plan details of first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor for this respected house, which is consisting of a triple bedroom hall kitchen portion at the first section, and double bedroom hall kitchen portion at the second section, and triple bedroom hall kitchen portion for the third section, and triple bedroom hall kitchen portion for the fourth section, and triple bedroom hall kitchen portion for the last section. Okay, this is the lift provision, and this is the staircases. Okay, so I will attach this respected floor plan in the below description of this respected video. You can check the complete details about this respected typical floor plan. So if you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.